If you could, please, come on up, pop a seat on his bench, face that way, we'll check you out here. Miss Emily, good to see ya. Maybe a little bit down on that right side, not bad. Ooh, what about that one? Oh, yeah. I'm just gonna do it, yeah. I'm just gonna do it. Okay. Come on down tiny bit this way here, Missy. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Oh, yep. Nice. Little breath in, hold here. That sounded amazing. Oh my God, that felt so good. Let's try a big breath and then hold. Yes, ma'am. Let's get you on your side. Face towards me. Oh yeah. We getting you cleared out for that long weekend, aren't we? Yes, ma'am. Right down. Right up here. Cool. Bottom hip forward, please. A little more. Right down. Okay. Got the tactical scrubs up slides on today. I see it. Here we go. Yes, ma'am. Let's try the other side. Cool. Yes.
I like your hat.
Thank you. I'm super patriotic. Right here. Okay. All right. You feel it? Already did it, didn't it? Yeah, there it goes. Good. Let's get you on your back. Face up. We'll check your neck here. Refreshing.
No.
No vibe. Let's check here. Okay. That was easy. You're supposed to make me look like I'm doing something here. Little stretch. Oh yeah. Come on up, Missy. How's that?
Great.
That was awesome.